gosh. It's about to kick off again.
They bring prisoners from jail to jail.
Yeah, well, them motherfuckers are never having me in that.
My creator gives another day for me to play. Before I play my game, I gotta pray. Keep me safe out of my street. The meal test my nerve, they wanna meet. G-H-E-T-T-O is where I lived. Taught me how to take cause I couldn't give. Need me now, I gotta go. I'm at the end of the tether. Really didn't wanna blow. Brainwashed with the fancy words, was a fool. They let the accent fool you, I've been schooled. Finished with top grades, now I'm proud. On paper I look great and in my flesh life's too loud. Studying on biggest slavery, that make me laugh. Chances for the smart rascals more than half. It's more. Cougars, do I have to throw all you guys out the fucking window? Fucking children. Do or die, it's my choice. On myself I rely. And hear my voice, trouble in small doses. They get much bigger, need me now. Really need to surround myself with loyalty. Call me brother, used to call me a little bastard. But I have a mother and father, I'll make them proud. Always get us with love's whispers, now I'm screaming loud. Complaining, nah, not because I'm mad, I'm loving the skin I'm in. Can you get that? An appointment with Dr. Doom, don't worry about me. I'll be on real soon, coming on with my swag out of my blag. Tell me mother not to worry, it's in the bag. She loves me though, she's losing weight. She wants me to go to heaven, not just the gate, so savings. I'll dip into some savings, put something nice on my back and stop my misbehaving. I can do this, cause I love to fight. But I've only got this chance to do it right. So head up, sit straight, look 'em straight in the eye. Don't believe in the hype, so I can't lie. Play the music, play it loud, but this is for real. Give it time, don't give up, yeah. That's the deal, being tough don't mean doing wrong. Being tough means doing right. Right till you make it wrong, wrong till you make it right. Learn the lesson well, yo. Fight. That's the sound of a boy trying to make a change. That's the sound of a boy trying to make a change. Let's dance!
Anybody fucks about with my sensei, you get fucking shit. Alright, boys and girls?
Trust me, there's not a day that I don't wake up. And when I'm looking in the mirror, I'm going, I hope somebody asks me about what they mean and why I did it. Do you know what I mean?